All right, it is Friday, June the 14th, 2024. My name is Doug from Digital Currency Traders. Thank you for joining me live today. You know what I missed? I don't have the live stream chat open again. I need to write a checklist so that I get that done. But I'm going to go through the presentation here. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the Bitcoin Liquidation Watch. It's a great stream, and as more people start hanging out there, it'll become even more fun. I check it out, and I'm always listening to it. It's playing in the other room, so if you're on there and you say hello, I'll say hello back. Let's jump into the presentation today, starting that the alt seasons are at the starting gate right now. The altcoins are all back below the starting gate, and everybody who passes that starting gate is fair game. So we're going to look at today's new signals, and later I'm going to do this video on the 4 legs of the financial chair. That one's taking some preparation. Recently, we did some videos on all of the chart patterns. I did a bunch of them on June the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and then I did them all again on the 12th. So you can go back through those videos and watch them on 2x speed, which is great for you because I can't do them on 2x speed. We focused on whether or not we should be in cash, Bitcoin, or altcoins in those videos. And I talked about Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, the logic of trading altcoins, and I talked about our AI improving the copy trading account. Those are all in the live streams from before. This morning, I did a special report on the springboard entry pattern, the springboard entry variation of the 1, 2, 3 bottom pattern. And it is one of the pro alert signals. And I did a video here this morning that's 7 minutes long that you can access in 2 different ways. You can access it by signing up for the 7-day free trial for the whole course, get access to everything. Check out that special report video. Or you can become a supporting Bud member of this YouTube channel for $2.99 a month, and you'll get access to some special report videos. Today, I want to go over the fact that the AltSeason Copilot has pulled us all the way back where almost nothing is in hold status. We are right back. Ideally, with this system, I shouldn't do anything. I'll talk for myself. I shouldn't do anything at all with my trades until we get back to this place. Then I want to deploy, put out my positions, and the rest of the time I'm only looking for exits. What I did over this past while is I deployed in here, and then I was looking for the add-ons. I was looking for those add-ons hard. And, well, it didn't work out for me, and I ended up holding on some coins that really pulled back, and I should have let go of them. I wasn't doing the system correctly. Get in, and all I should be looking for is to get out, according to the AltSeason Copilot. The Pro Alerts has a bit of a different strategy, and I get into that in those other live streams. Now, I want to go into the details about what happened today, so I have to go into the Pro Alerts on Intro to Cryptos, which is part of the membership if you're signing up for, oh, this is the wrong, it's the wrong one. All right, so here you get a 7-day free trial as well, and you can get into all those details. I do have the AI business plans if you want to study that stuff. If you want to get into the AltSeason Accelerator, there are a couple people on the waiting list, and I will get back to you right away because this is important timing. Pardon me, I have to mute while I clear my throat. What I'm doing now is I'm going into those Pro Alerts, the $97 a month membership area, go into the start here, go into the accelerator. I'm going to go into today. This is all pulling from the spreadsheet, which I don't have up here. There's the copy trading account, 208%. Oh. There. All right, now. Today, I did these signals for audio, BLZ, and VAX. So I can bring those up. Audio, it's a springboard trade entry actually. AVIX is 1, 2, 3 on the 4-hour time frame. And this is actually a simple trading plan, although it's high risk with the entry levels on that. So those are some of the signals going out today. Yesterday we had a close on STX, which burned me because that wicked us in and kicked us out. And I'll have to do that. I have to show you that chart. It's an important one. But before I do that, I want to go over the alerts that are active right now. So you can take a screenshot of this and you can go through each of these charts. Look at the BTC value now, the target entry, the stop loss. Those are important. The profit target, I put it way up there so that if it does a big popcorn move, our system will grab it and I don't have to watch for that. So a lot of the premise of this system is to set up the trading in such a way is that I don't have to watch it after I'm done this, that I don't have to watch it anymore. The money does the job of watching the charts. Now I want to go into STX after. But first, let's go through Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's, coming down, consolidating. It could be a breakout. We got these Bart Simpson formations going on all over the place. And super slow loading up on Tradingview. We're still in partial hold status according to the simple trading plan. So we're watching for the exit. If it goes down lower, it'll cross past our 12-hour EMA exit. It's already past the 4. And it's very close to passing the 12. So if it breaks down below this, now we're breaking yet another bigger trend line, and it would be time to go to cash. That's just what our system says, and we're still there. We're not gone. We can take that cash and put it back into Bitcoin. Cash is a position. If we go into the Bollinger Bands now, I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I want to move the bands down so that I'm tracking where the bands are relative to one another. And I have another indicator I'll show you in a second that does this for me, and then it color codes the differences so that we can see that 1 hour is pinched down at the bottom of the bands as we get close to the 4-hour range. Sorry for that mess up there. So the 1 hour is pinched in at the bottom of the 4-hour while making a springboard trade entry and a tiny little 1, 2, 3 of its own. So it does have potential to be a buy signal right off of that and an exit signal right out of that bottom as soon as it goes below that. The 12-hour, I'm looking at the third standard deviation. It's still where it is. Zoom out to the weekly view so we can see how that compares to the past. And we can see that we're still, still have lots of potential for it to pull back from here. So we really have to respect that move to cash when it says to do that. Just do it. There's no way to know the future. When we go into the next indicator, this one gives me the bullish feel because we have this green belly, but it's only a green belly on the 2-hour time frame. When I go into the 1 hour, it's good. We got a couple dots of it. So if it does take off, I want to do it. I want to play with it. But if it breaks down below that, I want to pay attention because we don't have the green belly on the 4-hour time frame, which has been the major turning point. Not all the time, but most of the time when we have the green belly on the 4-hour time frame. So did I cover everything I want to do in this live stream? Probably not. I want to talk about the 4 legs of the financial chair. The first leg of the financial chair is us working for money. And so if you got a good job and you've got money coming in, you're like a pogo, you can't lose that job. You got to keep going to work. Then Bob Proctor in the 1980s, he taught there's 2 different ways to make money. You working for money and your money working for money. So he said, put your money away, get somebody to grow it for you and compound that money over time and you'll get rich just by putting away $20 a week. By the time you retire over a working lifetime, you'll be a millionaire. So you'll be set with just $20 a week. So that's you working for money and your money working for money. Then you can have your work working for money. So as I publish and I put things over onto Medium, people can click on this, they can view this, and I can make money off of this. As people are viewing my YouTube videos, I can make money off of the views on my YouTube video. If you sign up to a bud, I make money off of that. If you sign up to my course and you stay there, I make money off of that. So my work turns into a revenue stream for me when I organize it correctly. And this is what I'm teaching now, is that you can do this same thing. You can learn how to organize your work so that it makes money for you. The real kicker is when you set up your work so that it can make money for other people. So if you sign up as onto digital currency traders, even if you don't sign up, you can send people to join and you can make income from anybody who joins. You make a monthly referral income from this. So if you join and you are a author of digital currency traders, you can make money from your content here, and we can help you do that. So not only do I want to talk about cryptocurrency trading, which is one of the ways of building the four legs of your financial chair, I'm organizing this system so that you can become an author and learn how to build the other legs of your financial chair so that your work is working for you while you're doing something else. And then eventually you could join up and do your own WAP store where people could then promote your membership area and they can earn money by promoting your work. So then you would have four legs of your financial chair going. And I'm going to dig into the details of what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you the numbers of how much money all of this whole process is making me. And the reason I'm doing that is by teaching you how to make more money and make your money work for you and make your work for you, it will make more money for me. So you could become financially successful and it'll help me make more money too. So that's why I'm doing it, and that's why I'm doing the live stream. That's why I'm setting up all this material so that it turns into a revenue stream for me. And then I'm teaching other people how to do the same thing so that that itself becomes a revenue stream for me too. So there is a special report now that you could go and grab to learn about the springboard entry pattern on the 1, 2, 3 signal. It's really important. There's a bunch of them setting up right now, and I show you those patterns inside this special report. Now you don't need this special report because I've already showed you all those patterns in this group of videos. So you can go through those at double speed and find all those springboard trading patterns, or you can just sign up for the 7-day trial, grab this stuff, take everything else, and unsubscribe if that's all you need. Anyway, that's it for today's live stream. Thanks for being here. I'm going to go hang out on the Bitcoin liquidation watch and see what's going on with prices. All right. Live is never as good as pre-canned because I can edit, but this is way better for me because I don't have to edit. Thanks for being here. Trade safe and keep those losses small.